Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you in an easy step by step if you are in Belgium. So you are having money on Amazon and you want to withdraw your money. If you are having commission on Amazon or any money on any of your money on Amazon, so you don't have bank account and maybe you don't want to receive your money with the Amazon gift card. So you want to withdraw your money through Payoneer. So in this video here, I'm going to teach you how to use the Payoneer account and withdraw your money from Amazon. So if you are living in Belgium, you can use this program here to withdraw your money from Amazon. So this one is for my Belgian friends. So let me quickly show you. The first thing you want to do is to sign up and register your account. And if you don't know how to do that, I've made a video about that, so check my video in the description down below and watch that, how to sign up and register your account. So when you sign up and register your account, then you want to sign in again, then you are ready to go. So now let me sign into my account here and show you how you can show you how you can connect your Payoneer account with your Amazon account with your Amazon bank details. So let's get started. So you want to sign in here. So let me quickly sign in. So now that you've signed into your Payoneer account, now Payoneer is going to present you with this. So I'm using the app here, so your all my different format here. So if you are not using the app, you may want to download it and get something like this right here. So now you want to connect our Payoneer bank details to our Amazon account. So you want to scroll down here and go to banks and cards. So here you are going to click receiving account. So here are banks that you can use. So they have banks in Eurozone, UK, Singapore, US, and many other countries. So you can just use one of these here. So if you want to use one of these bank here, for example, let's say I want to use this bank here, I'm just gonna go to the view details right here at the bottom. So when you click view details, it's gonna show you everything, your bank details. So let's say I click on this bank here, it's gonna show me all my bank details, bank account name and everything. So you are going to copy all these details and go to your Amazon account and paste it in there one by one. So now you want to go to account settings here, and here you want to go to change payment method, because I've already added my bank account details. If not, it's going to tell you to add your payment method. Okay, so you want to click on that. I want to change my payment method. For me, I just want to change my payment method. But if it is you for the first time, you want to add your payment method, you are going to click add your payment method right there. So in here, as you can see right here, these are all my shops: Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, and United States. And I'm using this bank for all of them. So now let's say I want to add new bank, or I want to edit it. So I'm just going to click bank account here. So here my bank details. So I want to edit it. If you want to add a new bank, you can just click up here and you add your bank details one by one. Click here. So let's say I want to add new bank account. So here is where you are going to be setting up your bank details. Here is bank location. You are going to choose the bank location. So my bank is at US, so you can just, if you want to choose other countries, you can just click on this box here and it's gonna show you more. It's gonna show you more. So here is where you're going to add. So here is where you're going to add your other name. You are going to add your name and type your name in there, and you are ready to go. Here is the account number, your account number. You are going to add your account number here, and bank name. You are going to add your bank name here, the name of your bank. Everything is on your Payoneer. So here you are going to add your account number. Here you are going to add your bank name. Here you are going to add your bank currency. Here you are going to add your account type. So if you go here, so here you are going to add your bank currency. So if you go here, you can change from dollar to euro. So here you can change your account type. So if you go here, you can change from checking or saving. Normally you are going to choose checking right there. So you are going to confirm your bank account number here, and you are going to add your routine number here, and you are ready to go. Everything is on your Payoneer account. It's on your Payoneer bank account details. So when you finish, you hit save. Okay, and your bank details has been added. So now Amazon will send you your money straight directly to your Payoneer account. And when that happens, Payoneer will send you a message that Payoneer is going to inform you that Amazon has paid directly to your bank account. So all you have to do is you are going to go to your Payoneer account and withdraw your money. If you want to withdraw your money, you can go here. So if you go to the home site, here is where you can see the details payment from Amazon, as you can see right there. So that's how you can withdraw your money from Amazon if you are in Belgium. So you have a commission on Amazon, or you want to withdraw your money, you have money there. So if you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please leave them in the comment section area down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.